You've had the bottle opener, you've had the golf tee, and now you've even had the world's strongest pen from HK3D. Well, now let's demonstrate some real industrial applications with the technology. So what better than to try and lift 500 kilos of mild steel turret utilising our forklift. So overnight, we've taken the Markforged printer, designed and printed a chain link utilising onyx and continuous carbon fibre. So let's go next door and see what happens. 10 minutes of being suspended from the forklift with 500 kilos of weight, and there's no visible sign of wear. Also, it's been measured and there's no elongation. So, pass. On with the next challenge.